next day. So yesterday the clips that you saw are from Monday. Today is Tuesday, September 15th. I didn't vlog much yesterday. I had such a busy day. I had an exam, I worked out, I had a ton of assignments to do, I had a lecture, I went grocery shopping. So yeah, yesterday was a very busy day. So is today. It is right now like 8:15. I am waiting to go on to a Zoom for observation hours for my major. I am an audiology major, so I have to observe in the clinic, and obviously it's over Zoom this year. So I'm just waiting to do that, and then later on I am going to go for a workout. I am going to work out my legs later, so I'm going to film a little workout for you guys. And then tonight I'm so excited because I'm getting Mexican food with a bunch of my friends, so I definitely vlog that and then you can meet some of them. So yeah, I guess let's get our day started. Hello, can you hear me?
Can you hear us?
Yeah, can you hear me? Okay, cool.
Okay, so we are in the middle of a patient right now, but we're gonna let you just start watching and then we can talk about it afterwards.
Okay, sounds good.
Alright.
So I finally got done with my observation hours, and then I just put on a gym outfit, and now I'm going to drive to Planet Fitness and get a little workout in. It is currently 10:22. Happy Tuesday, everybody. I just got home from the gym and literally just made my basic typical meal of egg whites, oatmeal, strawberries, and almond butter. Hey guys, what's up? It is later now. I went to work and then I just came home, and I'm actually going to start getting ready because I'm going out to eat with some friends. We're going to a Mexican restaurant, and we're gonna get some Mexican food and margaritas. So I figured show you guys what my favorite like foundation powder and all that stuff is and do a little get ready with me. I already have on mascara, as you can tell. I'm gonna just prime my skin. I used this primer by Ole Hendrickson, and then I used this primer by e.l.f. So now I'm just going to use the IT Cosmetics CC cream. This is in the shade light medium. I mix a little bit of the shade light with it. Just depends on if I have self tan or not, or if it's like the summertime or not. Because we all like looking more tan than what we are, right? I literally just applied self tanner earlier today. I have been loving this one self tanner though. It's by Sivan Aylin, I think, and it's called, I'll actually show it to you guys, but it's called like it's right over here. It's called the Luxe Unfiltered Self Tanner, and it's seriously so good, you guys. Like, it stayed on for so long, and it doesn't get on any of your white clothing, which is so nice. Like, literally, that's one of the most annoying things about self tanner is when you want to self tan, but you know that you want to also wear a white shirt. So you're like torn between, do I just get self tanner on the white shirt, or do I not self tan, or do I just wear a completely different shirt? We all have been there, and you guys all know exactly what I'm talking about. But yeah, I'm so excited to go out to eat with my friends. I literally haven't been doing much, obviously, since I moved into my apartment, just due to Corona and all of that. So I'm excited to see everyone. We're going to a restaurant that has outdoor seating. We made sure to pick one that does. So we will do all the precautionary measures and be extra safe. But I'm excited also because I haven't like gotten ready in a while, besides just like wearing basic like mascara and some brow gel on a daily basis. So very excited to actually like look like a girl again. Can't forget about the neck. Literally, the neck is like make or break, especially when you're trying to act like you're a lot darker than what you are. I am all ready for dinner. I am just wearing this top from Misguided, and then these jeans are from American Eagle, and I'm so excited to finally eat.
I was about to roast you, but no thank you.
What's up, you guys? It is now the next day. It is Wednesday. Yesterday I had so much fun with my friends. I know I didn't get that many clips yesterday, just in general from the day, but I went and got Mexican food with my friends. I got margaritas and I got all ready. I haven't gotten ready like that in literally so long, and so it felt so good. But yeah, it was so much fun. And then we just came back here to my roommate and I's apartment, and we just chilled out, drank some wine, and just had like a little girls' night. And it was so much fun because I haven't seen my friends in so long, just because of COVID and everyone's like trying to stay safe and stuff. But yeah, it is. But yeah, I've just been sitting at my desk today, working, doing some homework. I have a lecture tonight at 6:45, but that's like really all I have to do today. Like, I don't have work or anything like that besides obviously homework. So yeah, right now I'm gonna start working on some homework. I have 2 assignments that are due tomorrow, but I want to get them done today since I have a test that starts on Monday. I have a test that is on Monday in my anatomy class, so I have to start studying for that soon, obviously, so I'm not doing any last minute studying. But yeah, I wanted to update you guys and tell you guys all about my night last night. Like I said, it was so much fun. But yeah, I hope that you guys are having a great day, whatever you're doing. You guys, I'm just sitting here debating if I want to pay for Chegg or not, just because, you know, sometimes you just need a little bit of help, and I think that Chegg is just sometimes the way to go, especially when it's like mundane homework assignments that literally aren't even in your major, and you just took them because they fulfilled a gen ed, stuff like that. So I think that we will be making the purchase today. But yeah, I've just been doing an assignment for the past like hour. I just got a snack. I grabbed some yogurt and then just put granola on top. And as you can see, we're contemplating whether we need Chegg or not. I guess it's up to you guys if I purchase it or not. I just got back from going on a very long walk with my roommate. I have a Zoom lecture that starts in like a little under an hour, so I am going to make dinner. So that lighting change. So let's go into the kitchen. I'm just gonna heat up my leftovers from last night. We love leftovers. Hey everyone, it is now Thursday. I am currently in the Planet Fitness parking lot. I'm about to go in and get a good workout in. I'm going to try the Lauren Giraldo, I think her name is, workout. It's 12, 3:30. So you do a 12 incline on the treadmill at 3 miles per hour for 30 minutes. And everyone has been raving about it lately. I don't know if anyone watches Kenzie Elizabeth's vlogs. I love her vlogs, but she's been doing it lately, and so I really want to try it as just like a good cardio, because usually I do at least 10 minutes of cardio, if not more, just kind of to warm up. So I'm gonna go do that and then work out my back. So let's go get this workout in. What's up, guys? I am currently at work. I am just in the hallway of one of the rooms, but yeah, I just wanted to update you guys. I can't talk that loud because I don't want anyone hearing me, but I tried that like new hairstyle that's like been going viral on TikTok with like the claw clamp clip thing, and I'm kind of liking it. I feel like it looks pretty good, right? Hey guys, I just got home from work. It is like 5:15 now. I changed out of my work clothes. I'm just wearing this cute little cropped long sleeve, and then the biker shorts that I showed in last week's vlog. They're from Aerie. They're so comfortable. They're also seamless, which is super nice, super comfy. But yeah, so now I am just going to start making dinner soon, and then I'll be doing homework all night since I have a test in anatomy on Monday. And I am going home this weekend. So yeah, it's just gonna be a night of studying. My roommate and I are gonna go run an errand in like 2 hours or so. We're just gonna go to the Dollar Tree because she's hosting a brunch this Saturday. So maybe I'll show you guys what we get from the Dollar Tree. And then I just had a little snack because I was craving something sweet. Life hack, if you're ever craving something sweet, literally just have rice cake and peanut butter with it on. Get the chocolate rice cakes. They definitely help instead of like just having candy or ice cream if you're trying to like eat healthier. But now I'm literally just going to be studying for my test that's on Monday all night. I'm gonna start writing out flashcards to use for the test. And I will show you guys kind of the process slash how I do that. Just in case anyone's wondering, these are the markers slash pens that I am going to be using slash have been using. These are markers, so it comes with 7 markers and then 7 pens that are just like this in all different colors. As you guys just saw from the last clip, I went to Dollar Tree with my roommate and I. She's hosting a brunch, so we just got like cheap stuff like glasses, silverware plates from there for brunch on Saturday. And I just got myself a little snack, just some popcorn, and now I'm gonna eat this and then continue to write out my note cards, flashcards, whatever you want to call them.
Please don't think of me differently because you have to understand my floor just got done.
Hey you guys, what's up? It is Friday now. I just wanted to hop on to end the vlog here. I just got back from work. I worked out this morning as well, and I will literally just be doing homework all night since I do have a busy weekend ahead of me. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel down below. I'd really appreciate it. I will be posting a new video either every Sunday or Monday. I'm still deciding that, seeing kind of what's easier and what not. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys again soon. Bye.